I actually founded Unplug 48 because I believe very often people don't see anymore the beauty of life, and especially if as leaders we are entrenched in the busyness and the stress and the work. I think it's very difficult to take good decisions, to make beautiful products and services, and I think it's the duty of every leader to connect to themselves every once in a while, and I'm very happy that I can facilitate that process and help them reconnect to themselves and therefore make them better humans and also better leaders.
What I appreciated the most about the retreat was the professionalism of the team, because of the concept, number one. You kind of prepared us. You told us that we were going to be unplugged, literally, by giving us our phones and our electronic devices. What I also liked about your concept was not too much. We took our time to do certain things. We had a good, let's say, 24 hours for one thing, another 24 hours for another, and that really gave us the time to do it very, very well.
I think when you have a certain responsibility to manage an organization, to manage people, you have a responsibility to lead that organization in a certain direction. And for that it's important where you are as a person, where you're coming from, where you're going to, and then you can align yourself with your goals and your objectives. And I think that's what makes this interesting, very interesting experience. And it's something that I would actually do myself every year, just to see what have I done the last year, am I still on track, connecting to my inner purpose, and then to reflect and make better informed decisions moving forward.
I find it really important to do retreats myself and to coach myself and develop myself, because I can only really connect with someone else when I'm connected to myself in an authentic way, and that is really one of the most remarkable things about this retreat, is that you learn from each other's story. You see that you're not alone in a lot of problems that you sometimes think you are alone with, and that really gives trust in life and trust in myself, that everything will work out well if I just stay true to who I am and be the most authentic version of myself.
It's very interesting to see how people change over the retreat, because many of my clients, they're very busy people, they have a hectic lifestyle. Often they come in quite stressed because they feel, oh, I'm disconnected for 4 days, they're gonna miss me, a lot of things are gonna go wrong. And then you see literally them relaxing more and more. It's like, I like to use the metaphor of they're like swimming. When they come in, they're swimming like this, trying to stay afloat, and then throughout the retreat, all of a sudden they think about, oh, maybe it's also nice to dive, and they go under the water and deeper and deeper and deeper, where the real nice treasures are, and then they become very calm. They are sitting at the bottom of the ocean and they're looking at their situation, which is still hectic and busy, but they can look at it from a more peaceful point of view. I think for many people to be disconnected, it helps to be really far from their day-to-day life. And it's true that it's a lot of traveling sometimes to get to the places of the retreats, especially like here in Africa. It's quite a lot of travel for just 4 days of retreat. But it helps to really disconnect from the day-to-day, and so I think for many people it's necessary to go really far, physically, literally, and also it helps. The nature here is very special. The atmosphere, the people they encounter on their way to the venue, I think they all contribute to the result and to the process. So I think for people who have issues disconnecting, it's often beneficial to go really to very far places.
So I really want to thank you for the opportunity, and also I would like hereby to thank the other participants to be so open. And I think it's thanks to your concepts and the professionalism that people are open.
I think this is something that every professional that is serious about leading an organization should be doing at least once a year.
Thank you, Caroline, for bringing us all together, and also for taking us to a far destination that really allows to fully deconnect from the day-to-day.